Guys, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Well, what can we do?
Oh, do you want my brother to come over?
Oh, heck no. Heck no.
Why?
Because he's a jerk to me.
How is he a jerk?
He bullied me.
I wasn't here, so please stop talking about it.
Okay.
Fine. He is a jerk, to be honest.
Yeah, I told you.
I mean, Odyssey's coming out in 4 days.
Yeah, that is pretty cool, Odyssey. But you're not in the game. I'm not in the game. You're not in the game. But who's in the game?
Me,
What?
Roar!
Wait, Dad?
Junior!
Oh, God. I don't know why my dad said me, Roar.
You're not in trouble, Roar!
Okay. Come on, guys. My dad's calling me. Let's go. Oh, don't push me. Don't push me.
Whee!
Ah, oof.
Ah, that hurt.
Well, you pushed me off the bed.
I know, it was funny!
You're an idiot. Whatever, just come up here, guys. Come up here. Let's.
Roar! Don't call him idiot!
What do you mean, don't call them idiots?
Don't call him an idiot. You understand me?
Yes, Dad, I understand you.
Also, I just want to tell you something really exciting.
What?
I pre-ordered Odyssey.
I know, and you're in the game, right?
Yep. I'm gonna just get that stupid Mario.
Really?
Yeah, I hate him.
Oh, well.
Ow.
Dad,
What?
why'd you call me?
What? Cause there's an emergency. Come here.
Okay.
Well, let's go.
Okay, Dad, so, what's the emergency?
I got you! You can go play.
Don't joke around like that!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why are you being so nice anyway today?
Because I'm in a good mood. What do you mean? Why am I being nice?
Oh, no, you're just being nice. Well,
Nice?
Dad, please don't joke around like jokes like that. Jesus. Guys, my dad's such an idiot.
Why?
Because he's like joking around as like an emergency. An emergency.
That's supposed to be important. I'm supposed to be joking around.
I know, he's dumb. He's
That's not
retarded.
supposed to be that.
But he's being extra nice today so we can like do something. I'm not sure. What do you guys want to do?
Wanna go play outside?
Play outside?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really want to play outside. It's like, I'm too lazy anyway.
I don't know.
I always get lazy.
How about we play hide and seek?
Hide and seek.
Yeah. It's just a cool game. The rules are we can only stay inside the room, nowhere else.
In the room.
Just in the room.
How about the only upstairs?
Yeah, it'll work.
So let's go play hide and seek.
Alright, let's go.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go!
You guys ready to play some hide and seek?
Yeah! Yeah.
Alright, guys, who's gonna hide first?
Put your feet in.
Okay.
Okay. Gotta get my hand. Go, Scout. You are out. That means you're not it.
Oh, I'm not it? Okay.
Cub Scout, you are out.
Haha, you're it down in front. You're it.
1, 2,
Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go.
4, 5.
Where should we go?
Wait, I see something. Black blinds.
What do you see?
Open them up. 6.
Okay.
7.
Wait, what the frick are you doing in my house?
Get out of here. Oh, oof. I stole your dad's credit card, by the way.
Where's my dad's credit card?
I put it back in his wallet.
Why?
I don't know.
Well, wait, what are you doing here, though?
I put a bomb down here.
Wait, what the heck? What the heck? What? Run!
8, 9.
Dad, up, Rana, get up! Come here, get over here! Oh shoot, what do I do? Run!
It's ticking!
Ah! Dad, I screamed. Dad, get up!
What?
There's an explosion. Can you please get out of here,
Get
please?
out of the way! Oh, go save my son!
Okay.
You want some of these explosions? You want some of my fist?
Come on, guys, let's get up closer.
What?
Wait.
Roar.
Dad.
What are you saying Dad for? Do you freaking know what just happened?
We got exploded, Dad.
Yes. What do you expect?
Oh God, that hurt.
God. Oh God.
Dad, I thought you were really that tough. I thought you were tough.
I'm not really tough, Lord. Don't wake me up like that. Keep
Dad.
the window shut.
God dang, that hurt, Dad.
Well, why don't you keep the window shut or you're grounded next time?
No.
That's what I thought.
Guys, that hurt.
What do you expect? You're the dinner.
God.
What?
Your brother's such a jerk.
He is a jerk. Why would he even come and
Let's just go on the bed. Let's go on the bed.
I'm telling my parents.
Oh God, let's go on the bed.
Don't pick me up one day.
Oh God. Guys, are you okay?
No! I mean, yeah, I'm totally fine.
Oh God, explosions hurt.
I'm all better. No, I'm not okay.
You're not?
No!
Oh, I'm sorry.
If I don't say yes, that means it is a no. If I don't say no, then I'm fine. Don't you get it?
Oh, well, Donna Prawn, are you
Jesus,
okay?
Man.
Donna Prawn, are you okay?
No.
What's wrong, Donna Prawn?
Oh, God.
That hurt.
Oh, God.
What?
Yoshi's brother's out there again.
Oh God. Let's go. Come on, Yoshi.
I don't want to be exploded.
Come on, we have to stop him.
You know, I'm gonna go stop my brother. I'm
Frick.
gonna stop my brother. I'm gonna freaking kick his butt. Okay, I gotta place 3 more. That'll teach him. Weed.
Where'd he go? Guys, where'd he go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, guys, again, we got exploded again!
You know what? I'm done!
We gotta get revenge on this idiot.
We gotta watch him!
Yeah, no, we gotta watch him, then we gotta blow him up, and then blow him up at the window.
Oh, I have a bomb in my pocket.
What, you do?
Yeah, I'm fed up with him. He's a jerk. He almost killed me before.
Yeah, come over here, I really can't see you.
Oh, he almost killed me before.
He did?
Yeah.
Freaking jerk.
Like, my parents were home and they just started attacking me. He invited his friends over. He's a jerk.
I know, we gotta get revenge on him.
Like, he's a freaking dummy. I
know.
hate him.
I know, he's a jerk. Donna Prana?
I just want to tell you this thing, Yoshi, but it's not okay. It's bad to hate your brother. What do you expect? Darn, he almost killed me.
Yeah, that was pretty stupid. And pretty messed up. So, ow, stop!
Ah, what are you even for? Wanna fight? No. Yes, I thought. Okay, so how are we gonna get revenge on this idiot? Don't push me. I think we could watch out for the window, like sit by the window, wait till he comes in, and then grab my bomb and throw it on him.
That's a great idea. So let's go to the window. Okay, you guys don't have to fight. Let's go. Okay, guys, so
I just wanted to tell you this, but I never had a bomb.
You serious?
But I have an idea.
What?
When he comes out, we can take the bomb out of his hand and then throw it on him.
Oh, like, doesn't he use sticky bombs in like, instead of real bombs? I think he does.
He used sticky bombs, yeah. So we could stick it on him.
Okay. Then, what do you think of the plan?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Well, sorry I was joking around.
Oh, it's fine.
There he is!
There he is! Alright, let's open the window. Gotta open this window. Open the window. Yeah. Alright, now let's just open the window. Wait, is he coming or no?
He's coming. He's just on his way.
Oh, he's on his way, Yoshi?
Yeah. Let's just wait.
Let's just wait for him.
Okay. I'm here to put another sticky bomb.
Wait, what you doing with your little Pinocchio retarded looking face? Leg-headed retarded face. Yoshi!
What?
Come here!
What? Also,
He's here.
Good comeback.
Get the bomb! Get the bomb!
Oh, I have a bomb. Wait.
Knock him down! Knock him down!
Curse you, idiot!
Well, Yoshi, is he dead?
Yeah!
Alright, let's look it down there. Let's look down there. Oh, there's an explosion.
Yep.
There was an explosion right there.
We did it!
Woo! Now, what can we do?
I gotta go.
You gotta go?
Yeah, my parents are probably gonna be mad because that's where I live right there.
You live outside my house.
No, like that house.
Oh, that light over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
So bye!
Bye! Well, Donna Prana, what do you want to do?
Sleep over.
Let's go.
Close the window.
Oh, yeah, I gotta close the window. Close the window. Close the window. Oh, God.
Got teamwork.
Yeah. Oh. You okay, Donna Prana?
Yeah. I was pulling this string out,
Oh, okay.
but I almost got smashed.
Oh, dear, okay.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Woohoo!